Casting. Casting is a process where the molten metal is introduced into a cavity and mold of the desired shape. The molten metal that is poured into the mold flows into the corners and fills the void. It takes the desired shape when allowed to solidify. Few mostly used types of casting are sand casting. In this type of casting, sand, mixed up with clay, is used to create the mold. A desired shape is put in a box, and sand is poured. The sand then is packed properly. After that, the box is turned upside down, opened in two parts, and then the shape is removed. This creates desired cavity. The mold contains a design, through which the molten metal is poured through it to the cavity. Once the metal solidifies, the sand is removed to get the required, casted part. To know more about casting, sign up to www.lynxe.in.